Finally got it in half.
Huh?
Finally got it in half.
Looks like my wife's making me some coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. As like I was saying, it's a 60 amp GFCI. We're gonna install that in the spa fuse box that's downstairs. My spa guy said he was gonna be here yesterday, and then he no-showed me. And I'm not waiting, so I'm just gonna wire it in myself and fill it up with water, and we'll get in the hot tub soon. Because I'm not gonna sit around and wait. You missed your opportunity there. So yeah, once I get this coffee, we're gonna go downstairs and wire it up. Hopefully everything goes smooth and we'll have a hot tub. Hot coffee. Oh yes, delicious. Thank you, Abe. Alright, now to go wire in this. Can you close the door behind me, please? Only got 2 hands, and tripod, and coffee. Alright, let's go. Let's go get this done. Oh my gosh, now I gotta open the gate. Ah! And we're off. Okay, now we're cooking. Oh, it is like negative 14, negative 15, something like that out here. It's super, super cold. But I'm not trying to wait. Everybody in Alaska just runs on their own time. No consideration for anyone else's time. So, I'll just do it myself. It's probably why most people do their stuff themselves here, because got to. Dang. That'll work. I don't know if you'll be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna go, there's red, black, white. This is gonna be on the red side. This is gonna be on the black side. This is gonna be plugged into that white ground to the ground block. Pretty simple. It's not rocket science, but it is a lot of electricity, so it can zap you. I'll be careful. 240 will hurt, potentially kill you. So I think here would be the white, right? So I think I can plug the white, the black, and the red all into this, and then this pigtail right here goes from here to there. So I think that's actually how this works. So I'm gonna back that off, back this off, back them all off, that way I can get the wires in there. Alright, we're gonna start with white to white. See how we get that in there. There we go. Where is it at? There it is. White to white. Okay. That's pretty simple, huh? Now we got all of those connected to our breaker, right? It says neutral. There's a neutral symbol, like an N. It says N in a circle. And then this side is also neutral. That's why I went white to white, right? And then we'll connect this ground back here to the ground in black. twist. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's see what you think. You can see we got the leads coming in from there. Neutral, going to the neutral block. That pigtail going up to that. Oh, that's not gonna work, huh? I need to unhook this and pull it around to the front. Maybe it'll work, I don't know. Let's see if I can get it in there. I'll have to try and jam this down and get that to click in. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get it.
No, you know why? Because the grounding cable's not long enough. I didn't pull enough line for the ground. Oh man. That's annoying. Huh. Gotta unhook all this and try it. Alright. Yeah, definitely the ground is the problem. Oh man. Oh man, this electric box is junk. I'm not impressed. What the crap? The hunk of junk. Yeah, it's me. Bruh. Do you see this? I'm talking about the junk. Come on. Oh, that's just work. Whew. Man, that's tough actually. It's not one to go in there at all. Oh man. How in the world? Are you supposed to hook this thing up? Y'all see this ridiculousness? This box is stupid. I got it from Home Depot and I would not recommend this at all. Not at all. Bruh. Y'all see how ridiculous this daggone thing is? This some kind of joke, man? This is trash. Oh my gosh, y'all see this? That was ridiculous. That was fun ridiculous. Try and get that in there. Let me try to fish this ground back there somehow. Let me pull it back out. See if I can't fish that ground back there somehow. Come on. Okay. Now let's see if I can shove this all into place somehow. With all this ridiculous high gauge wire. How ridiculous is this? Y'all see this? No. What in the world, man? Like, why? all because of that short ground. Like, how frustrating is that? I'm so close to having it in its location. Why? This box is stupid, man. Like, trash.
Did y'all see that? Are you kidding me? I think we're connected though. Oh my gosh. Looks like it works. I win. Okay, let's close it up. Man, that was ridiculous, huh? I know y'all saw that. Jeez. Alright, let's go ahead and close her on up now. Yes, this is open. I need to go get the connector. I'm not looking forward to having to take that back apart and put it back together. Oh my gosh. How ridiculous. But it's done now. It's done now, baby. We win. Okay. Let's have a sip of coffee. Oh, yeah. Okay. All right. Well, that was incredibly hard. Surprisingly. That was surprisingly hard. Wow, alright. Now let's go up to the hot tub and see about hooking the wires into the panel. And then we will turn it on, fill it with water. Oh, golly, I need to clear those stairs. Alright. Set down these tools before I get frostbite from all the metal. Pull these panels off. That way we can access it. There's only one up there, one down here. Huh. Come on. That ain't right. Y'all see that? The light just pops off. Move this right out of the way. let's take a look. Okay. Alright. I need this wire into this box. Okay. What do I do with that drill? Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay. Can we get it? Come on. Please? There we go. Okay. I've had a heater on the inside of this because the jet was broken. So I got a heater on the inside and I got a heater on the outer side on the edge here, keeping it warm. Now I gotta run these in, hook them into this panel right here. I think I'm just gonna go right through this with a 3/4 inch hole saw, if I got one. Okay. I'm just gonna do this one because that's about the same size. That's about the same size. Let's just go right here. That'll work. I'm good with it. How's the battery gonna go and die on me like that? Y'all see that? Trash. We still managed to pop through. Okay. Now, here's what we'll do is we'll fish that on through there like so. Okay, and I'm gonna fish this back up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at that. We in. Alright. And now I can take that and run it in there like so. Now we cooking. I'll strip these back, pop them in there. I do need to get a little connector for this right here, but I don't worry about that right now. I'm gonna plug it in, fill it up with water, because my kids and my wife want to play in the hot tub. So let's go. We almost got it done now. Strip it on back. Oh, yeah, pull that back out. I'm gonna strip it out here like this. So I can get my hands on it a little bit better. I'm just gonna pull this back, expose all these wires, and then we'll wire them in. Pretty simple stuff. White to white, red to red, black to black. Alright, that's probably enough. Alright. One. Ground. Come on. These thick wires are tough, man. Tough to strip. There it goes. We're getting closer. Come on. Dang. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come off. Ugh. Bruh. That's annoying. Come on. There we go. Jeez. That's ridiculous. Ah. Ah. Okay. Alright. Okay. I need a flat blade.
Okay, yeah. Ow. Okay. The ground does it. And then red, and then white, and then black. Ground, red, white, black. Okay. Ground in first. Let's get the ground in first. Oh, wait. Okay, then red. I should have put them all in first. Let me back that back off. Get them all in, and then I'll put them back. Because that's not going to work. These are too tight. Well, technically, the hot tub's water now. So, let's put this back up.
Okay, we're still on. We've been on here for an hour. Oh my gosh. So that heater was in there. I'm gonna close that up. I'm not gonna close it up yet though. I'll close it up after I start filling it and make sure that it doesn't leak. Got wire right in there, plugged in. So now I should be able to just go flip the breaker and the hot tub should turn on. So I'm gonna go inside, take a little break, bring all my tools in, get a water hose ran from the hot water heater probably to the hot tub and fill it with hot water. And then we'll be in the money. Let's go. All right. Well, whew. Okay. I got all the electrical ram. We got water running from inside the house using the fish pump that I used to fill the aquarium and filling it with water. Ew. What is that? Well, that's gross, huh? Good thing there's filters. Whatever that funk is, well, must have had a funk in the line, I guess. I don't know. Is that so? Let's see, is it making the snow dirty? It is, look at that. Of course. I'm gonna pop this filter in there. Fish out whatever funkiness is. I'm gonna pop that filter in there. I did grab the hose straight from my garage, which clearly has some kind of funk in it. Some kind of biofilm or something, I don't know. Wonderful. Oh well. We'll get it filling. There's some kind of funk in the line.
I'll have to skim it out. It'll float.
Yeah, there's filter, so I'll just...
It is what it is. I would just close this stuff over and let it go. And check on it every 30 minutes or so.
Mm-hmm.
It's my first time.
I'm gonna flip the breaker and see if this comes on. Sure. I wish I knew what that funk was. Is it still coming out? Whatever that funk is?
Here, let me see.
Most of it must have cleaned out already, but it's gonna melt all that ice right there.
Mm-hmm. That's where we're gonna put the stuff?
No. The steps are where they're going.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I guess you could put the step over there, but that's where the step on the inside is.
I guess we'll see.
Alright, I'm gonna go flip the breaker.
Okay.
Go watch that screen and see if it turns on. We shall see if everything was done right.
Careful, babe. Yep. Come on, lights and everything.
Ta-da!
Woohoo!
Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's not what I want to happen. Turn off.
I don't know how. Red button, probably. Red button. Red button. No. Shit. Not red button.
How do I turn it off?
I don't know. I didn't read the manual yet.
What? Alright, you can see we got the aquarium running. Got it in the sink, running out the window in our kitchen to fill the hot tub. Let's go check. Okay. Hey! Water, baby! So, looks like she's holding water. I don't hear anything dripping out of the bottom at this point. So we'll walk under there and take a look. And we're gonna go turn the breaker on. So let's go do that. Let's go turn the breaker on. Oh, whoa! Ski down the stairs. Oh goodness. Okay. The manual says to turn it on and then to not touch it for 15 minutes and that it will preheat itself. It says it will do its own thing. It's doing something. It's probably high enough, huh? I would say so. Water's coming in. Well, guys, it looks like we officially have a hot tub. It is on. It is pumping. We did it! We're gonna be sitting in it tonight. It's gonna be negative 15 or colder. And we don't care. We're getting in it. So I need to put this side back on it. It looks like everything's holding water up to this point. We have money. We are in the money. The hot tub is on. We'll let it warm up, put the chemicals in it, and that's gonna be that. All right, we turned the spa on. The temp is set. I got it at 104 because I want it to be hot. And it's gonna bring itself up to temp. The water was already 91 from inside the house, so that's good. I'll close this lid. We'll let it get up. Actually, I gotta go inside and get the chemicals. We'll throw the chlorine in there. And yeah, we'll be in the hot tub tonight. Let's go. All right, well, we purchased it with this Frog Smart Chlorine cartridge. So it looks like this little guy. So you drop it in there and then it just floats, and then whenever it's done, it like turns over. Oop, dropped it. And then I got this box full of chemicals: pH up, pH down, alkalinity increaser, all kinds of junk, stain and scale control, filter cleaner. I'll just follow these directions. Once it gets up to 100 degrees, I'm going to do the stain and scale control, test it. We'll just go through the steps. And what was that?
the $455 box of chemicals.
Yeah, well, and I included the stairs too.
Oh, yeah, okay. Well, that's good.
The Durastep stairs, which were only 160. So the rest of that $455 was, so what, $380 in chemicals. So I probably got a little bit ripped off. They probably upsold me on all this stuff, but that's okay. I have all the chemicals that I could ever need. Chances are this is probably the only one I really need though. So this was extra stuff that they upsold me on. It is what it is. But we'll get the chlorine in there and we'll be good. All right. Let's open it up and take a look-see. I'm gonna just push this off. Oh, all right. Let's come over here. Turn on the lights. Ooh, baby, look at that, son. Well,
Can you turn on the jets?
what do you think?
At first, my feet feel like they're very hot. Oh, that's so hot. My feet are so hot right now.
Okay, let's turn it on. So I think you just tap it.
Tap it?
You hold this, and then you like swipe it over, and then it comes on.
And then what?
And then you hit the jets.
Ooh.
Now that's the low settings, and then if you hit the buttons again, it turns it on high.
Put it on high. Put it on high over here. Whoa, oh my god! My feet, like, they feel like they're out of the water. Oh.
Well, what do y'all think?
My feet feel so It's so deep. I can see it's so deep. Is it warm? Yes, but my feet feel like they're burning up. Well,
Very cool.
it's not a good feeling.
Huh? You got to turn that knob right behind your head.
This?
Yep.
Oh, Daddy, it does not feel good to put my feet in. So uncomfortable.
Try the other one.
I just
To
gotta
the,
get this
there you go. Yeah.
Oh my god, this is so. Oh, nice. Rally would be.
Did it not work?
Rally would so want to be it.
Oh, I think I turned this one off.
Daddy, what is this?
Pump 2 has to be on.
What is this?
That's the old jet that broke.
I'm still in here.
Just sitting in there. So this is the part that broke.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
Everybody's happy.
So I'm gonna stay in the light. That's so awesome. It's so nice, huh?
All right, we're all getting in the hot tub. We did it. All right. I gotta get in there quick though, cause my toes are about to freeze.
I had to take the
Ooh!
Vince walked up to pick up
All right.
the robe.
Yeah,
Let's get in.